Hello guys, in this video I will actually show you this open source AI coding tool that I recently found on internet, which is completely free and unlimited to create applications related to coding in any coding framework. So this is actually the website LlamaCoder.together AI. If you directly type this LlamaCoder on Google, the very first website which comes, it provides you access to various AI models such as GLM, Minimax, Qwen 3. All these models are really powerful for coding. So right in the, you can select any model of your choice. So by default GLM is selected, and from here you can simply select the result quality as well. And from here you simply type what sort of application you want to generate. So it doesn't require login. It's completely free. As you see, it's also available on GitHub. It's completely open source, and simply send this request. And now let me get. So as you type the request, it has start generating the code for you. It's a fully fledged coding editor similar to VS Code. So on the right hand side, you will see each file will be generated step by step. And once it completes, you will get a notification, and you can see it will generate a fully fledged full stack React application. Once you return the prompt here, automatically all the files will be generated in TypeScript, and you can even download the code as well. So each file will be generated. So I'm using this tool for past 6 months. It's completely free and unlimited. There is no restriction to it. Unlike other tools such as you need to pay subscription cost, it's completely free. So once it's generated, you will simply can generate the live preview of the application. It will build out the application. So this is your image to PDF application, fully 100% browser based. This is your code right here. Each file is generated. You will see that in TypeScript. It's a React application. All these components are generated, and you also can download this code. You click the download button, everything will be generated in a zip file. So you can see that your code has been successfully downloaded inside a zip file. So it's completely open source. As you see, it has got almost 7,000 GitHub stars. So it's completely open source, and people have developed this from scratch. It's LlamaCoder, as you see, open source. It's a good alternative to tools like Claude Code, Gemini, Cursor, which is subscription based. But right here, you can change the model as well from GLM to Minimax Qwen 3 coder. Let's suppose you want to generate a Google clone UI. So there is no restriction. You can create unlimited applications. So it's a great tool for prototyping any kind of application, and instantly it will generate a React application for you. And you can just see right here, each file will be generated, and this tool is really fast as well. It doesn't take too much time. It just generates a fully fledged project in a matter of 10 seconds. So it will save you a lot of time rather than creating the project from scratch. Just go to this website LlamaCoder, simply type your prompt and directly get a project instantly. So I simply generated thousands of projects using this website. It's instantly deploy the application as well. After generating the code, it also runs the code directly as well. So you can see the live preview. This is your two windows. So there is no login register thing that you need to do. Simply go to the website and instantly So it's actually using Together AI. As you can see, it's a very good platform. So you can even check their GitHub repo as well. Simply clone this repo and you can even run this tool directly locally as well. So all your applications will be right here. You'll see. It also gives you suggestions as well. You simply type what sort of suggestions. You also have ability. If you have a screenshot, you can even directly upload that screenshot and it will convert that screenshot into code. So it also provide you with this as well. So if you have a screenshot, you can directly upload and then it will convert this to the code as well. So it's a really insane, free, unlimited website. There is no restriction to it. You can create unlimited applications. Definitely check out this LlamaCoder website, Together AI. It has GLM, Qwen, and Minimax models built inside this. So it's a fully fledged editor. So if any kind of error take place, you have the option to fix the error as well. So it also fixes the errors as well. So directly it will make the adjustment, fix the error, and then re rerun the application as well. So so you can see these applications can be built directly, instantly using this tool. So definitely check this tool out. You can even your app is also published. You can even deploy your application, get this unique URL as well. So